Good morning guys, it's Gavin from Property. Well, I failed. We didn't actually spray the walls after because the sprayer broke. I've tried everything, I've stripped it down, so I got a new one coming Monday. It's Sunday today. But I managed to get a little bit on the wall before it went. Now there'll be a pain, so we'll have to mask up. I may have to just hand paint the kitchen. We had a couple of problems with the kitchen. We had a 600 unit which is there, which didn't actually fit, so I had to nip out quick yesterday, get a 500 unit. We're missing a 300 unit for there, so I've had to nip out, get one of them. One of the doors is damaged, this door is damaged as well, you can see there, so that's going to have to go back on Monday. So yeah, but worktops will be going on today. Hob worktops, sink will be going in. We plumb the sink in. Doors are going on. We can finish the skirting now. Once we get the plinths on and the end panels, or the end panel, sorry, we can finish the skirting there, and there. So then that'll be, worktops will be gone, sink will be gone, hob will be gone. Helmets and stuff will be gone, so then whatever skirting and architrave is left, I can get ready for the next property. The doors will be going on today, so now then we'll have the living room to prep. So we'll prep a living room, get all that filled and sanded. It's still drying out a bit, but the fireplace was dubbed out. It's not too bad. A little bit on the door there, might be a little bit of a cold spot, and it's quite low. So heat rises, I've got heaters on for obviously heat rises, so it's still a little bit colder down the bottom. We've got skirting to put on the stairs there, and then I think that's all the skirting done, guys. We've got a bit of filling to do, and then hopefully Monday night I'll paint it all. Carpet guy is coming today to measure for carpets, hopefully going down next weekend. So I've got next week to get the second fix electrics done, second fix plumbing done, clean all the windows, make sure the painting is done, get the sills on, paint all the woodwork before the doors come in, check the boiler. I've got a guy come in on the 21st. Well, it's not a guy, it's British Gas. I've got a home care cover on this one, so I'm actually going to live in it. So they'll pay for the parts and labour once you set up. Yeah, so it's getting there, guys. I haven't had a chance to do the bathroom. I've been helping the kitchen fitters get the kitchen in, because this is quite a big item to get in, and I'll help with the worktops now today when the other carpenter is doing all the doors. I can do the doors and I could probably do the kitchen, but it's not worth it. You may as well get the guys in, do it every day, and just get it smashed out. Yeah, so that's the update, guys. Hopefully we'll have a new well, I've ordered the sprayer, so hopefully we get it Monday and we can get this painted out, because that's another big task, is painting it out. Hope you like the kitchen, guys. We've got white worktops to go on. I'm not too keen on them, but the missus likes them, so what can I say? Yeah, we'll have a look once they're on, see if they look a bit better. But yeah, that's the property, guys, the Dorma Project. The Dorma's actually going to be done in August. We just need to get in here now. Just need to get into the property, get living in it, and then we'll strip all the roof off there and hopefully won't damage everything. But hey ho, shit happens. Take care, guys, enjoy your Sunday, and if my phone doesn't die, I'll give you another update later, with hopefully with all the worktops and plinths on. Have a nice day, guys.